Krishna, bro. He's a beast. The power of Krishna. The power of love. Unity. Outdoor. Windy nature vibes. We're on the wind. One human team. Out here on planet Earth, enjoying it. Getting after it. Evolving every day together. Please don't litter, guys. Don't litter your masks. Don't litter nothing. There's a lot of trash out here. We have to do a little detritus refuse pickup. Some real Americana smells right there. There we go.
Between I did flush outs with cans and other stuff.
Flush outs.
And they said, when you're feeling not too much stung, they said, now you see the body saying, you need a little more rest, you'll come back stronger for doing it.
Yeah,
So,
come back stronger.
One thing, the other thing, this is perfect.
Yeah.
We jump going here.
Should we go roast another? Some big waves out there.
Tears next to you build on it, still take.
Yeah.
I just mistook him for somebody else. Get a check.
Times.